Hello everyone, welcome to the Programming Knowledge. I hope you're all doing well. Now, occasionally you may want the user to be able to resize a Pygame window, right? Which you typically do by clicking on the corner of the corner of the window and dragging with the mouse. It's easy enough to do this by using a resizable flag. When you call set mode, Pygame inform your code if the user has changed the window size by sending a video resize event that contains the new width and the height of the window. When you get one of these events, you should call pygame.display.setMode again to set the display to the new dimension. Let's write the program which demonstrates how to respond video resize events. So open your IDE and let's start writing. As up to some part of the code is similar to the previous one, so I am copying directly from there. Here little bit we have to change. The first one is we have to pass resizable instead of 0, and second one is here we have to define a screen size in a separate variable, and let's say we are passing a tuple of 640, 480, which is a standard size. Okay, now come to the main loop while true. Here I am using the wait function for an event handling. You can watch if you are not able to understand this wait function, then you can watch the previous lecture. I have already discussed this wait function. So if event.type is equal to quit, we can exit, as we have already seen. Now if you click on the corner or the edge of the window and drag with the mouse, the script will get a video resize event. So if event.type is equal to video resize, the resize message contain three values, that is size, W and H. Size is a tuple containing new dimension of the window. Size 0 is the width and size 1 is the height. W is the new width of the window. It is same as the value size 0, but you can directly access. And H is also the height of the new window, and it is also the same value as size, second value of the size. Size is a tuple. So second value of the tuple is the height and first value of the tuple is the width. So let's store in a screen size. So screen size is equal to event.size. Okay. We have to call again setMode method, which creates a new screen surface that matches the new dimension. So let's do that. So a screen is equal to pygame.display_set mode, and here we have to pass screen size resizable, 32. Okay. Now let's add title to the window by calling setCaption method. Basically it helps to understand the execution of the script. So pygame.display.setCaption, we have already seen setCaption in the hello world program as well. So here I am passing the string window resized to, and here we are passing event.size, so it should be in a string, so str event.size. Okay. Now here I am declaring two more variable, screen width and screen height, and here we are storing screen size. So basically screen width comma screen height is equal to screen size. Okay. Because the display size can vary with the script, we draw the background slightly different here. We will bleed the background image as many times as necessary to cover the display, right? We will do two calls to range, produce the coordinate needed to place these multiple background images. So let's do that. For y in range 0 to screen height, and here we have to pass background.getHeight. And for x in range 0 to screen width, and we have to pass background.getWidth. And according to this xy we have to blade. So screen.blade background comma x comma y. Okay. Now at the last we know we have to call this function pygame.display.update. Okay. When you run this script, it will display a simple Pygame window with a background image. But when you change the window size, display size, here you can see a corresponding title. So how much it changed. Okay. Now let's understand additional or advanced display flags. There are a few more flags you can use in a call to set mode. I consider them advanced because they can hurt performance if used incorrectly or cause compatibility problem on some platform also. It is usually best to use the value 0 for window display and full screen for full screen display to ensure your game will work well on the platforms. If you know what you are doing, you can set a few advanced flags for extra performance. And also there is no harm in experimenting. So yeah, if you set HW surface flag, basically this flag create what is called hardware surface. This is a special kind of display surface that is stored in the memory of your graphics card. It can only be used in combination with full screen flag. Like you can pass screen size, okay, and here HW surface or full screen. Hardware surface can be faster than surface created in the system memory because they can take advantage of more features of your graphics card to speed up bleeding. Hardware surfaces can be faster than surfaces created in a system memory because they can take advantage of more features of your graphics card to speed up bleeding. The disadvantage of hardware surfaces is that they are not that well supported on all platforms, right? They tend to work on Windows platform but not so well on others. Hardware surfaces will also benefit from the double BUF flag. This effectively creates two hardware surfaces, but only one is visible at one time. The following line of code will create double buffered hardware flag surface. So here you have to pass double buffered hardware surface full screen flag at the same time. Normally, when you call pygame.display.update, an entire screen is copied from a memory to display, which takes a little more time. Double buffered surfaces allow you to switch to the new screen instantly and thus make your game run a little faster. I hope you are all able to understand different flags which are provided by the Pygame and how you can use this flag. So I hope you are all able to understand this lecture. Thank you very much, guys.